So, good day everyone. Today I just want to explain to you how to fix a thunder arrestor. And these are mats, as you can see, this is a thunder mat. So that will enter the tank, and this is the belt. As you can see it right here, so it goes up. So we're going to connect it up there. And this is the arrestor. So let me just show you how to connect the arrestor itself. So this is what the copper tape will be done. See that. So let's down here. The measurement here is majorly 4 feet deep. So this is going to be 4 feet deep. So make sure it is well laid. Office too, as you can see it. So once you have gotten these steps, then you need your industrial salt and charcoal. You need the industrial salt. This is it's different from, it's actually different from normal cooking salt. So right there. Now you need your afro. This is the truck, and you make sure it enters the ground. So after that, we'll need our industrial, this charcoal. Let's make it fresh. So pour the surface. So first thing you firstly pour is your industrial salt. So after the salt, then you pour the charcoal, and after that we'll now pour water. Though this surface really have water before, but we still need to, notwithstanding, we still need to add more water so as to have an effective system. Lulu. So we pour water. So once the water sink, then we now go up to go and fix this. The rest of up there.